Elanco, we are driven by our vision of food and companionship enriching life.
And in the news, confidence levels in the manufacturing sector remains near the low points reached during previous business cycles as load shedding weighs on sentiment. This is according to the latest quarterly APSA manufacturing survey. Although sentiment has improved significantly since the record low recorded during the pandemic, historical data shows that confidence has only been at these levels a handful of times. The quarter 2 confidence level was unchanged at 17 since the previous quarter, lower than the throw of 20 reached during the global financial crisis. Expectations also highlight significant pessimism, as a record majority of manufacturers expect that business conditions will deteriorate further over the next 12 months. Tractor sales in May were 97 units less than units sold in May last year. On a year-to-date basis, tractor sales are now approximately 5% down on last year. Combine harvester sales, however, are 61% higher than last year. According to a statement by the Agricultural Machinery Association, farmers are showing caution with more factors affecting their decision-making. Forecasts for tractor sales for the 2023 calendar year show that they will be between 10 and 15% down on last year. Combine harvester sales are still very buoyant, and is likely that sales for the 2023 calendar year will be between 10 and 20% up on last year. En Christie van die Heever is van dese week in die Parel as die Wes-Kaapse jongboer van die jaar gekroon. Christie boer die afgelope 15 jaar vir Graaf Fruit en is die afgelope 5 jaar die landgoedbestuurder op Rietfontein in die Kouebokkeveld. Die beoordelaars van die kompetisie is van mening dat Christie 'n uitmuntende ambassadeur vir die Wes-Kaap sal wees tydens die Toyota SA Agri SA jongboer van die jaar kompetisie later vanjaar. Dr. Sifiso Ntombela will be joining the Animal Feed Manufacturers Association as its new executive director from 1 July. This follows a thorough recruiting process with Liesel Breitenbach, who acted as interim executive director from January 2023. Dr. Ntombela holds a PhD in agricultural economics from the University of Pretoria and is an alumni of Stellenbosch University, where he obtained his bachelor's, honours and master's degrees. He is an agricultural economist with more than a decade's experience in strategic planning, agricultural policy and economic modelling. He has been the National Agricultural Marketing Council's chief economist responsible for trade, research and policy advisory. Dr. Ntombela says he would like to see stronger working relations between animal feed industry players and government in all spheres. Dan is Niel Venter, die operasionele direkteur van die Sparta groep, tydens die algemene jaarvergadering van die Rooivleis Abattoir Vereniging in Somerset Wes, as die vereniging se nuwe voorsitter aangewys. Hy volg Dr. Kalbols Leriche op. Nou Leriche was sedert 2017 voorsitter van die vereniging. Lauriter Blanche, eienaar van Tommy's Abattoir, is as ondervoorsitter herverkies. There is a shortage of asparagus in South Africa, and less asparagus has been exported from its traditional suppliers. According to the Johannesburg Municipal Market's website, an extremely low number of asparagus was sold early June. The traditional asparagus import season runs from the beginning of March until the end of August. Imports are mainly from Mexico and Peru. Lower volumes were imported this year, with the weakening of the rand-dollar exchange rate making it an expensive product to produce. And to contribute to the expansion of the wildlife economy, the South African National Parks will donate 2,448 plains game and 12 high-value species to emerging game farmers in the coming year. This will be done through the Sandpark Socio-Economic Transformation Action Plan. This is according to the Minister of Forestry, Fisheries and the Environment, Barbara Creasy. Creasy delivered the department's budget vote in the National Council of Provinces last week. Other focus areas include supplier development, direct and indirect employment creation, awareness, knowledge creation and exchange, and meaningful land claimant beneficiation. And that is today's news.